Do you miss me? And this is storage of a different nature. Will this fire still be going by the time we finish the home tour? Clearly, she's obsessed with me. I don't even know where to start and where to take you. This is incredible. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. It's been 5 years of filming Let Us In home tours, our way. I feel like I feel, oh, okay, I'll get in it. One take walkthroughs that show the actual house and not just the pretty corners. What do we got? Ooh, look at the size of that card we draw. Where is the bottle opener? Got it. We've snuck inside massive homes. Look at the height of this. And tiny homes. This is actually a lot more generous than I expected for a tiny home. We've seen adult playgrounds. Oh my God, this is so much fun. And retreat-style hideouts. How good is this? Elegant mansions and relaxed cabins. After you. We've visited brand new homes, old homes, and homes that have been given a new lease on life. This is so much fun. We've driven through cities, we've tackled the high country, we've gone off-grid and indulged in luxury. Charles. We've taken a chopper, we've flown overseas, and we don't just mean Tassie. They let us back. We've taken boats and ferries. We've ridden and fallen off mountain bikes. Tell you what, I've never had to work so hard for a home tour in all my life. We've hit the beach in a four-wheel drive and gone electric to places we didn't think possible. We've visited islands, farms, forests, beaches. Hello, beach home of my dreams. And uncovered hidden gems in the city. We've met homeowners, architects, designers and builders. I could just be here all day. What's up? You guys have to walk like suckers. There have been no doors left unopened. You can do it, put your back into it. No pantry not raided. Don't mind if I do. Trying to find the kettle. Turns out I don't need one. No drinks untouched. Let's go sit on the couch. You want to stay? No? And absolutely no bath left without that tick of approval. It's pink! It's Toronto! We believe great design should be for everyone. We're not interested in highbrow architectural jargon, just real and inspiring houses and conversation. It's honest, it's wholesome, it's incredibly raw. We talk about design our way. The entrance of this home is like a big old friendly hug. And we have a whole lot of fun while we're at it. How much money do I get if I get this in? These are not just home tours. This is Let Us In. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next week.